Kani kadai ka Patricia TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Division Bench jong ka Ying Bishar High Court jong ka Jala Meghalaya ka Palatian Bishar ya ka Mokoduma Contempt of Court Persya ya ka try but ya ka editor jong ka Kot Khubor The Shillong Times. Haka pratarik ulber arajar khat khandai kala ai da ka jing Pynshitom yakini ki arngut da ka ba dan kuna mar arlak tengka yakaba ki deiban sio hapok shiteo nrai lemgumta kin ngat haka jing sha set along ka ba nreu banai kanti ka jing sha tian bishar jong ka try ka Kot Khubor The Shillong Times ka Shobha Chaudhary bat ka editor ka kong Patricia Mukhim ka dei na ka daw ka jing penmi khubor bayat persya ya ka hukum jong ka kashari ka bay dei bat ka jing mentoy ba dei ban ai shaki Chief Justice Judge Balashong Thait but yaki khon gihti jongki.
So the matter was initially taken cognizance by the London Civil Judge. Subsequently, it was the London Civil Judge sent the matter to the Chief Justice, and the Honourable Chief Justice took up the matter in the Division Bench. On the Division Bench, after issuing notice, after the completion of the pleading, hearing was concluded. And today the judgment was pronounced. The Honourable Division Bench found the editor and publisher guilty of contempt of court, and under the as per Article 215 of the Constitution of India, the power which they have, the Honourable High Court Division Bench punish, convicted the publisher and reporter. They have taken them, both of them, to custody till the rising of the court today, and 2 lakh rupees cost on each, which they have to submit it before a week.
Failing which
they'll
have to undergo 6 months.
6 months imprisonment. That was the gist of the judgment which has been passed, but we will apply the copy of the certified copy of the judgment today, and then we can enlighten you more on this. But this was the operative part which was read out by the Honourable Judge today on the pronouncement of the judgment.